students, let us come back to our learning channel under probability. In the last video, I explained the definition of conditional probability with the Venn diagram notation, how to remember the definition of conditional probability. In this video, I would like to cover a problem on that. Generally, they won't mention use conditional probability like that. We need to analyze carefully from the problem, then we have to apply. The thing is that here one of the problem from test and text of BTech, two marbles are selected one after the other from a box containing 10 red marbles, 30 white, 20 blue, and 15 black marbles with replacement is most important concept here, with replacement. The thing is that we pick up first ball, check its color, put it back, and take second one. That's the meaning of one after the other. One after the other with replacement. Taking first ball, check its color, put it back, and again second one with replacement. He is asking you to find out the probability that both are blue marbles. Both are blue marbles. First marble is red color and second one is black color. So these two bits are there. How to compute them? As I mentioned in the beginning, to work out any word problem, first you should know what is the random experiment. Idea scenic I'm writing here. Random experiment to get clarity. Simply, it is selecting, just write down the information there. Selecting two marbles from a box containing, if you add these balls, how many are there? 10 plus 30 plus 20 plus 15, that comes out to be 5, 1 plus 2, 3, 3, 6, 75 balls or marbles. These are random experiment. Your colors, 10 are black. Yeah, these are red. 10 are red, white, blue, black. Total 75 marbles. Let us continue. So, events. Next is events. Here, red, white, blue, black are there. We are going to find only for blue, red, black. So we can name A, B, C. We can suppose A, the event of selecting a blue ball, blue marble. Let's take capital B, the event of selecting a red marble. C, the event of selecting a black marble. So here, before writing the probabilities of the marbles for the events what I mentioned, condition of selection is given to you with replacement. With the replacement. Thing is that when first ball is selected, after checking its color, it is placed back in the box. and second ball, marble or ball is picked up. That is the meaning of with replacement. So here, probabilities, how to find out. Probabilities, first, write like probability of A means in words, selecting A for blue ball, selecting a blue marble. There are total 20, 20 blue balls are there, are marbles. From 20 possibilities for blue balls out of total 75. You don't simplify that, leave like that. At finals, you can able to simplify it. So there are 20 possible. It is your small m. It is your small n. M stands for possible. Possible outcomes for blue one. For blue marble. It is total outcomes. Total outcomes. Total outcomes. So the probability of B means selecting a red marble probability. Here, 10 favorable outcomes are there for red marbles because 10 marbles are there. Out of 10 red marbles, any one you can pick up. If you imagine, we have given the number for balls 1 to 10, you can get any one ball. Second ball, color is also red, like that. So 10 possibilities. Of course, total outcomes are 75. 10 over 75. I am not going to simplify this fraction. Keep like that. Finally, we can able to simplify. So in the same thing, probability of black ball is there. That is probability of C. Here I write, it is probability of selecting a black marble or ball, we can say, depends on the problem. Here, there are 15 possibilities for black out of 75. It is your small m, it is your small n. M stands for favorable outcomes for black marble, and 75 represents the total number of outcomes. Out of 75 balls or marbles, any ball can be picked up. So these are respective probabilities of A, B, and C, three events what I mentioned. The first requirement, so probability that both marbles are blue. Both means and. We have to use and connective. Use and connective. Connective. Connective means it is a word which can combine two statements. That means we need to find out probability of both are blue balls. So we can write B. First ball is blue. I have taken A. A for blue. So not wrong. A for blue. I write A1 intersection A2. It is first blue ball or marble. Second blue ball, blue marble. Both marbles are blue in color. I have taken capital A for selecting any blue ball. Here two are there. For idea's sake, I gave you A1 intersection A2. This we need to find out. For this to find out, we know that from by conditional probability, by conditional probability of first marble is in blue color. So we will write on right hand side A1. Here A2 means selecting the second ball is blue or marble is blue, given that first marble is also blue. The meaning of this one is that probability of selecting the second marble, that is it, is blue given, for vertical line we use the line given the first selected marble is blue. This is given by probability of A1 intersection A2. What is given to you? Right side is given to you. So probability of A1. Probability of A1. By cross multiplying, we get the required probability that both marbles are blue in color. So on cross multiplying, we get probability of A1 intersection A2 is equal to probability of A1 into probability of A2 given A1. This is very simple. Probability of A1 means selecting the first red ball out of selecting the first blue ball out of 20. It is 20 over 75. After selecting the first blue ball, it is been replaced back. So the number of blue balls count won't change. It remains 20 only. Total number of marbles. Sorry, I'm using the word marbles instead of balls. Don't be confused. Mostly they'll give balls or marbles. That word may be catchy there. So second part, probability of selecting second blue ball, given that first one is A1, because ball is been replaced, count never changes. Here also we get same out of 20, because there 20 blue marbles are there in second choice out of 75. It comes out to be 400, 5 into 5, 25, 8 into 7, 56. You can leave like this or you can simplify. That's the probability of selecting both balls are blue. Probability of selecting two blue marbles. Two blue marbles. Second one, first marble is red, that is B. And second one, selecting a black ball. In notation, in words, probability of selecting the first marble is red and second is black. So the meaning of B1 and C1, you can denote it in set notation B1 intersection C1. Similarly, here also we are going to apply by conditional probability. Thing is that here condition is given to you. Selecting the first marble is red and second is black. So we need to find out this one. So according to conditional probability, B1 intersection C1 is given by what is given to you? Selecting the first marble is red. This is given to you, not this one. So probability of B1 into probability, we can use notation. We have to find out the second ball is black. So C1 given B1. Be careful. The given probability should be written on right hand side after the vertical bar. So we have to find out the probability of selecting the second ball is black, given that the first marble or blue, ball is red. This we need to find out. What is the probability of selecting a red ball? Same, first red ball, 10 out of 10, 75 outcomes. Here, ball is been replaced. Here also, with replacement. Total outcomes never change. Now we are going to give preference for C1. C1 stands for selecting the second ball is black. For black, there are 15 possibilities out of 75. Out of 75. So on computing, it is 150 by 5625. So this is the result of probability of selecting the first marble is red and second is black and connective is there. That's why we need to find out this using the conditional probability in this rotation. Hope this is clear to you. This problem, the working procedure. Next class or next video, we cover Bayes theorem. That's very important in many fields of engineering. Do share, subscribe our channel and share it to your friends and post your comments or queries in comment section so that I can give you replies to it. All the best.